Good evening, everyone. This is our official statement on the fourth confirmed case of coronavirus. First, we wish to inform everyone that COVID-19 patient Bicol number 23, the 36-year-old lady officer, police officer, assigned at Camp Simeon Ola, has now tested negative. Her 5 relatives residing at Concepcion Grande who have had exposure to said patient have also tested negative for SARS-CoV-2, the virus which causes the COVID-19. However, it is with a heavy heart that we would like to inform you of our 4th COVID-19 case in Naga City. Patient Bicol number 26, who is a 17-year-old female from Naga City Subdivision, Triangulo, Naga City. She has no travel history and is currently admitted at the Bicol Medical Center for mild symptoms. Patient is in a stable condition and is under the good care of BMC's medical team. Rest assured that all precautionary measures are being undertaken by the city government, including the comprehensive contact tracing to determine the risk of transmission. In this regard, the immediate 3 blocks surrounding the residence of patient Bicol number 26 are hereby placed under extreme enhanced community quarantine or lockdown, effective tonight, following the recommendation of Dr. Vito Borja, our City Health Officer, and after consultation with Mr. Rene Gumba, our Incident Commander, as well as with the key members of the Incident Management Team. We are once again urgently reminding everyone to stay in their homes, follow the instructions of authorities, and monitor official announcements from the city government. Thank you and keep safe. Maray na banggit po, Liwan.